Counting is on for all the 224 seats for the Karnataka Assembly elections. In the trend so far, BJP is leading in 75 seats while Congress is leading on 115, JDS in 27 and others on 7 seats. There is still a delay of a few hours till a clear picture can be given. Let us look into the latest trends to see which candidate is leading and who is behind. From the Shigaon seat, Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai is leading in his constituency. Talking about Kanakpura seat, DK Shiv Kumar is leading from the Congress party. Nagaraju from JDS is trailing and R. Ashok from BJP is also trailing. Talking about the Channapatna seat, HD Kumaraswamy from JDS is leading. CP Yogeshwar from BJP is trailing, while Gangadhar from the Indian National Congress is trailing behind. From the Hubli Dharwad Central seat, Mahesh Teginakai from BJP is ahead. Jagdish Shettar from the Congress is trailing and Siddhalinges Gowda Vodeyar from JDS is behind. Talking about the Bhadravati seat, Sharada Appaji Gowda from JDS is leading. VK Sangameshwar from INC and Mangoti Rudresh from BJP are trailing. Talking about the Shikaripura seat, BY Vijayendra from BJP is leading. GB Maltesh from Congress and Sudhakar Shetty from JDS are trailing behind. From the Chamaraj seat, L. Nagendra from BJP is leading and Harish Gowda and HK Ramesh from Congress and JDS respectively are trailing behind. Talking about the Chittapur seat, Priyank Khadge of the Indian National Congress is leading. Manikant Rathod and Subha Chandra Rathod from BJP and JDS respectively are trailing behind. Talking about the Dharwad seat, Vinay Kulkarni from the Indian National Congress is leading. Amrut Ayappa Desai from BJP and Manjunath Hagedar from JDS are trailing. From the Karwar seat, Rupali Santosh Nayak of BJP is leading. Satish Krishna Sel of the Congress and Chaitra Kotkar from JDS are trailing. Talking about the Halial seat, Sunil Hegde from BJP is ahead. RV Deshpande of the Indian National Congress and SL Kotnekar of JDS are trailing.